no ordinary rock. It has seen the rise and fall of civilizations, the ebb and flow of nature's forces. It has been a silent observer to the passage of time, untouched by modern civilization. Its surface, etched with the marks of time, tells a story of resilience and endurance. But what lies beneath this rugged exterior? What hidden wonders await discovery? Deep inside, something extraordinary awaits, a hidden world frozen in stone, a glimpse into a time long past. The rock holds within it the secrets of ancient life, preserved for millions of years. What will we find when we unlock its secrets? The anticipation builds as we carefully split open the rock, revealing the intricate details of a world long gone. Fossils of ancient plants and animals perfectly preserved offer a window into the past. Each fossil tells a story, a snapshot of life from a different era. As scientists examine these rock samples, they piece together the puzzle of our planet's history. What new discoveries will they make? What new stories will these silent witnesses reveal? This rock witnessed it all. From the dense, prehistoric jungles to the modern landscapes we see today, it has been a silent observer of the Earth's ever-changing face. Imagine the countless sunsets and storms it has endured, each one leaving its mark on this ancient traveler. The texture is rough and uneven, marked by time. Every crevice and crack is a testament to the forces of nature that have shaped it over millions of years. It's like holding a piece of history in your hands, feeling the weight of the ages. It's surprisingly heavy, a testament to its long journey through the ages. This weight is not just physical but symbolic of the immense history it carries within. Each layer adds to its story, making it a dense archive of geological events. But we are not just here to admire its exterior. We are here to delve deeper, to understand the secrets it holds within. This rock is like a book, and we are eager to read its pages. We are here to uncover the secrets buried within. By breaking it open, we reveal the hidden chapters of Earth's history, each fragment a clue to the past. And a whole lot of patience. We must be careful. Too much force could damage what lies inside. Dust rises, carrying the scent of time and earth. Each chip of rock brings us closer to the unknown. The tension is palpable. Every heartbeat echoes with anticipation. A perfectly preserved fossil emerges from its rocky tomb. This moment is a testament to the patience and dedication of paleontologists who spend countless hours meticulously uncovering these ancient treasures. A prehistoric dragonfly, its wings forever frozen in time. The detail is incredible. Each line and curve tells a story of a world long gone. We can see the delicate veins in its wings, a marvel of natural engineering. These veins once carried life through the insect, allowing it to soar through prehistoric skies. The intricate patterns on its body are like a fingerprint, unique and telling of its species. These patterns help scientists identify and understand the diversity of life that once thrived on Earth. It's as if it were trapped just yesterday. The preservation is so perfect that it feels like a snapshot of a moment frozen in time. This discovery is a window into a lost world. Each fossil we uncover adds a piece to the puzzle of Earth's history, helping us to visualize the landscapes and ecosystems of the past. It allows us to piece together the story of our planet. By studying these ancient remains, we gain insights into the evolution of life and the environmental changes that have shaped our world. To understand the incredible journey of life on Earth, we must look back through the eons. The shifting continents, changing climates, and evolving species all tell a tale of resilience and adaptation. What other secrets are waiting to be unearthed? Each dig site holds the potential for groundbreaking discoveries that could rewrite our understanding of history. What other stories will rocks tell us? The layers of sediment and rock are like pages in a book, each one holding clues to the mysteries of our planet's past. As we continue to explore and study, we unlock the chapters of Earth's incredible story.